Let's talk about air pollution. So, air pollution, Chemistry Paper 2. Fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas release air pollution when they combust. These hydrocarbons oxidize when burnt in a process called complete combustion. They release water vapor and carbon dioxide gas. However, if there is not enough oxygen, they will undergo incomplete combustion, releasing particulates, which is unburnt fuel such as carbon solids and carbon monoxide gas. Now, particulates like soot, carbon solids, result from unburnt fuel. These particulates, if inhaled, can cause respiratory problems such as asthma. They can also cause global dimming, which is an environmental effect, as they reflect light back to space, meaning less light reaches the Earth and it gets darker. The carbon monoxide that's also released from incomplete combustion is really dangerous. It joins with hemoglobin inside our red blood cells. This prevents oxygen being picked up by the hemoglobin, and that means that less oxygen is transported around the body. With less oxygen, less cells can do aerobic respiration and release energy, therefore, more cells die. This can result in fainting, falling into a coma, or even it can result in death. Now, carbon monoxide is especially dangerous because it has no smell, color, or taste, so it's hard to detect. Combustion of fuels sometimes releases sulfur impurities, which join with oxygen in the air. Here's the chemical reaction. Sulfur plus oxygen makes sulfur dioxide. This sulfur dioxide gas rises up into clouds and reacts with H2O, which is water in the clouds. It forms sulfuric acid. This lowers the pH of the water, making it more acidic and killing the fish. It also changes the pH of soil, killing plants and trees. Now, nitrogen oxides are another problem. These are formed in car engines when nitrogen from the air and oxygen from the air react on the hot surface of the engine to form nitrogen oxides, such as nitrogen dioxide. These also can dissolve in clouds, causing the same problems with acid rain as sulfur dioxide. Nitrogen oxides also are known to cause respiratory problems. So not only do they cause acid rain, but they also cause respiratory problems. Okay, let's look at some exam questions. Tick one box. And there's your answer. Remember, you might want to pause the video. Particulates are produced by burning fossil fuels. What are particulates? Well, they're unburnt fuels, soot and solid particles. Name an environmental effect caused by particulates. Well, the environmental effect is global dimming. We know that particulates cause respiratory problems, but that's not an effect on the environment in this case. Let's look at one more question. Join the name of the substance to the environmental problem. So carbon dioxide. Well, we know that causes global warming, and that's formed from complete combustion. Carbon particles formed from incomplete combustion cause global dimming. And finally, crude oil is a non-renewable resource. All right, guys, that's your lot. Let's get to the marks.